Oh my God, ayoko na dun.
Hello mga ka-wonder! For today's video ay isasama namin kayo sa aming biyahe pagsakay namin sa cable car papuntang Genting Highlands sa Malaysia. Tara, samahan niyo kami. Let's go!
I don't know.
कितने चलती कट कट हाँ
Hawakan mo ito mama.
안 치워.
A ride on the Awanas Skyway will give you breathtaking views of the Malaysian tropical rainforest and mountainous landscape around.
Can you say hi to my vlog?
Hello,
What's your name?
how are you? My name is Vivek.
Hi there.
Where are you from?
From the Philippines.
Oh, nice. You're a vlogger? vlog?
Sort of,
Travel vlogger?
but not really. Just we're trying. Are you a vlogger?
No, not at all.
Okay.
I just love traveling.
Yeah, just me and my...
This is the Chinese temple that we
Yes,
talked
it
about.
is.
It didn't stop.
It didn't. Yeah, I think we have to
네. 수로
we will stop there.
And then
Go down.
stairs.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, God.
아니 이게 여기 쓴다고 절에 가려고.
Oh, sige. Oh.
Welcome to Malaysia. We are now here at Chin Swee Temple here in Genting Highlands. Ito yung lugar kung saan nag-stop ang mga cable cars para ang mga maglalaro dun sa taas at magkakasino ay magdadasal muna dito. Dahil naniniwala sila, yung mga Chinese lalo na pag nagdasal sila dyan ay siswertihin sila sa kanilang pagsusuga dun sa kasino sa taas. At hindi na nga kami natuloy papuntang Genting Highlands dun sa may casino kasi nalula na kami, hindi na kinaya ng mga powers namin paakyat. Kaya dito na lang kami sa Chen Swee tumambay. Hanggang dito na lang ang ating video for today mga ka-wonder. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more. Bye!